The question is why mangrove forest is a life-sustaining ecosystem. The answers are mangroves protect coastlines and prevent erosion by collecting sediment from the rivers and streams, thus slowing down the flow of water. Secondly, mangroves also protect shorelines from damaging storm and hurricane winds, waves, and floods. In addition, mangroves also maintain water quality and clarity by filtering pollutants. Next, it also provides habitat for thousands of species at all levels of marine and forest food webs. Lastly, mangrove forests are able to retain 4 times more carbon since it aids in the fight against global warming.
Mangrove ecosystem is very important to the local community because it affects their source of income and source of food. The destruction of mangrove system actually affected many that make their living out of it. The mangroves act as the breeding grounds for fish, and after the destruction, there are fewer fish. As a result, many fishermen's income has dropped. Besides, bees are fussy and prefer to hive on mangrove trees. It is a source of income for the community because the wild honey from the beehives created on mangrove trees can be collected and sold. Fish might also end up losing forever as they lose their food supply, which are snails, which is affected by the destruction.
One of the primary threats to mangrove ecosystem is deforestation and land conversion. Urban development often involves the clearing of mangrove forests to make way for housing, infrastructure, and roads. Similarly, agricultural activities such as shrimp farms frequently results in the conversion of mangrove areas into farmland, which contributes to the destruction of these habitats. Pollution represents another major threat to mangrove ecosystem. Pollutants from factories and industrial plants introduce toxins that harm the flora and fauna. Agricultural runoff laden with pesticides and fertilizers causes nutrient imbalances and can poison aquatic life. Additionally, improper disposal of sewage and household waste increases nutrient loads, leading to eutrophication. Climate change exacerbates the challenges faced by mangrove ecosystem. Rising sea levels driven by global warming threaten to submerge low-lying mangrove forests. Increased temperature can affect the growth and reproductive cycles of mangrove species. Furthermore, the frequency and intensity of storms and extreme weather events are increasing, causing physical damage to mangrove forests, uprooting trees and eroding soil.
For our next question, what are the impacts of human activities on the mangrove ecosystem at Sungai Dinding, Kampung Baru Setiawan? Firstly, loss of habitats. The clearing of a 20-hectare stretch of mangrove forest severely damage the ecosystem and habitats for native aquatic wildlife, insects and birds. This will lead to a decrease in biodiversity. Next, decrease in wildlife population. The destruction of mangrove forests has caused a drastic decrease in the population of native aquatic wildlife, insects and birds. It can disrupt the balance of the ecosystem and negatively impact the food chain. Moreover, impact in fishing community. Fishing community livelihoods have been impacted by the decline of mangrove forests. With the loss of breeding grounds for fish, there has been a decrease in fish population, leading to a decline in catches and income for fishermen. Lastly, loss of white honey collection. The white honey collection was lost as bees are fussy and prefer to hive on mangrove trees.
There are a lot of ways to overcome the threats to our mangrove ecosystem. One of the ways is by encouraging eco-friendly tourism. Encourage eco-tourism and sustainable tourism practices to reduce the footprint on mangrove ecosystem. Other than that, we can establish protected areas. Establish and expand marine protected areas or MPA that include significant mangrove habitats.